How to change spoken language on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change spoken language on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click here on your profile, and now click settings, and then click general, and now click this one, translation settings, and then just click here spoken language and select any language you want, Japanese or anything, and then select it and it will be saved. And that's how change language, spoken language. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.